Hey guys, this is Noel with Bishop 30 Solutions. Welcome back to another series of our videos for church security teams. What we'll be talking about today is firearm concealment. We're just going to talk about what the best way is to conceal your firearm in different cover garments that you can use. One rule that you should always adhere to is you should only have one layer of clothing, one garment over your gun. Don't have multiple layers that you have to get through, because then the multiple layers will start getting in your way. Just one layer. In general, what you want to try and do is you want to have some type of the cover garment, you want to have some garment that's kind of dark, or if it's not dark, it may be patterned, which breaks up the little bit of printing. Printing, what is that? So printing is when your outer garment is relatively tight on you and you actually can see the outline of the gun. You don't want that, especially in a church environment. You want to have the garment hang free and not show that gun. So right now, let's start out with kind of a formal type dress. For instance, if you are you've got security duty for a church service itself, I've got a sport coat on, but this could represent not only a sport coat, it could a regular jacket or maybe some type of a vest. But this is a sport coat, which is very common for church security teams. So I have a full-size Glock 17 pistol. That's a fairly large concealment type pistol. So if I holster it, I cover it, all right. So this jacket, though if I button it, it is very form-fitting. But if I leave it unbuttoned, you really can't see the firearm. So a jacket like this is a very good idea to have in a concealment type scenario. So let's move to something else. Let's say that you are covering a Wednesday night service where it's more informal, where your dress is going to be a little bit different. So let's see what happens when we go to something else, which is a more informal type dress. So I've dressed down, and this is more conducive for maybe an informal type service. I do have a darker shirt on, which is more conducive for hiding a firearm, being more concealable. However, this is very form-fitting. Right now I have a Glock 19 in a strong side. As you can see, I would be printing with this. So the placement of my firearm, maybe I need to alter that. Maybe I need to alter it to an appendix type placement. So as you can see, I've moved the placement of the firearm to the appendix position. It's a slim shirt. I don't have anything on the side. It's dark. It covers up a lot of possible bulges. And I have it right here. One or two little secrets are that I take the belt buckle and I put it on the side, so I don't have another big bulge up here in front. I also, if you have a metal clip, I also put it behind the belt and in front of the pants. That allows it, when you pull it, it doesn't get caught on the garment. So that's what I would suggest if you want to appendix carry with a more of a profile, low profile type shirt on. If we were in some type of a more informal type atmosphere, say on a Wednesday night service, where I could use maybe a shirt like this, maybe not this loud, but a shirt with some type of a pattern on it. The pattern tends to cover up some bulges. Just to prove the point, this is a full-size Glock 17. I'm going to holster it. And as you can see, yes, it's a little bit, has a little bit more room in it, but it's very easy to conceal it. As you can see, there's no printing, and if there is, a lot of the splotches in the shirt would cover it up. So this is another thing that you can have, just kind of another tool in your concealed carry tool chest. So I hope that helps, guys. If you have any questions, you can feel free to call me at 256 513-2280. You can jump on our website at bishop30solutions.com if you want to see what type of training courses we have for the church security. We do have a whole program set up for church security team, both armed and unarmed. If you want to send me an email, send it at bishop30solutions@aol.com. Thank you very much for watching, and be safe out there.